In this video, let's talk about how do Jeep wheel spacers work.
The Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are mounted between the hub assembly and the wheels, and are held in place by matching lug nut and stock lug nut. The principle is to increase the distance between the two parts to increase the space under the wheel. This is related to our frequent discussion of offset and backspacing. Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are available as an alternative to offset wheels, helping you save unnecessary expense and optimize the performance and appearance of your vehicle. The first point is the direct change in appearance. Most of the vehicles in the wheels factory setting are in favor of conservative offset data, which lead to the appearance of the wheels presented in the phenomenon of dispersion in fenders. The wheel spacers can push the wheel out slightly, giving it a more flush look with the fender. The second point is to allow for bigger breakage. If you want to upgrade bigger breakage, which often requires more space for installation, wheel spacers are used to provide more space for the wheel and brakes to avoid friction. So you don't have to worry about these brake kits rubbing against the wheel. Wheel spacers can solve this problem. The third point is to allow for bigger wheels. Most stock wheels have a positive offset. When changing to a larger tire, the wheel back spacing needs to change as well, or the bigger tires may hit the suspension part. In some cases, a larger offset ring can be fitting under the ground by adjusting the wheel offset. In addition, bonus wheel spacers are forged from 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum material, with high-strength tensile and yield properties, for anyone seriously considering performance potential of their cars. Heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. BONOSS FT Cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. The further the wheel is away from the vehicle hub, the better the appearance, to improve the aesthetics.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.